The admissions is now open, so feel free to apply and to submit your applications. The essential requirements for the students who want to get admitted for bachelor's degree are the following. They need to provide the senior secondary examination certificate with a score not less than 60%. Then we are asking to provide the IELTS, TOEFL, or Duolingo or PTA. Checking the English skills. Additionally, it is necessary to write motivational letter, to pay application fee, which is 180 euros, and to provide the rest of the documents, for instance, like passport, to provide CV, and the rest of documentation which will be asked to provide via Dream Apply system. Then the students, once they will pay the application fee and submit application, and once the application fee will be collected by Klaipėda University accountancy department, we will review documents and we will set up an interview for the students. Once the interview will be passed, the students should pay their tuition fees, and then after they will submit and they will provide to us 6 months money flow, we will proceed with supporting documents for temporary residence permit. Talking about master's degree, the students who wanted to get admitted to master's, it's very important to notify that 3 years of bachelor's degree obtained in India will not be recognized in Lithuania. It means they should have either 3 plus 2, 3 years of bachelor's and 2 years of master's, or they need to have, for instance, Bachelor of Pharmacy, a Bachelor of Technology or Engineering, and in those programs, the students needs to have either internship or a bachelor's thesis or both of mentioned. Only in these cases, the previous education will be recognized in Lithuania. The rest of the documentation remains the same, so that is certificate of English language skills, motivational letter, CV, paying 180 euros application fee, and again the procedure will remain the same